Can we bring our wine on the ship?
I can't tell you right now.
When can you tell me?
Right after this. Hey everybody, here we are from the Midlife Crazy offices once again.
Offices.
That's right.
We're an LLC. LLC. Oh my gosh, here we are. It's our last video for our 101 tips.
Really?
Really?
It's all over?
It's over. No.
Wow.
100 tips. That went by really quick.
Not just 100 tips.
101 tips.
We don't want to leave the one tip out.
The one bonus tip.
The one bonus tip might feel bad if we left it out.
Well, we're not going to leave it out.
No. So that's crazy. There's 101 tips and we've gone through them, well, almost all of them. Shortly we'll be through all of them.
We're just running on.
We're just rambling. So before we get started though, you know, if you really like our videos, hit that subscribe button. Give us that proverbial thumbs up.
We are just marching towards that 1,000 subscriber mark, and thank you everyone who is supporting our channel. We really sincerely appreciate it.
Yeah, when we started this, we
didn't even think 100 people would be interested in us.
So we're coming up on 650 or so now. So
yes.
It's, it may not seem like a lot, but to us it's like crazy.
I know.
So again, when we hit that 1,000 subscribers, there's a big bag back there. There's Courtney and Dakota's ships on a stick
Courtney
that they
and
gave
Dakota.
us. But in that bag is going to be a bunch of stuff that you can take on your next cruise, stuff that we take on our cruises. But the big gift is the DJI Osmo Pocket Camera, so you can vlog your next vacation.
Awesome stuff.
Right? Don't forget, tell us in the comments on this video as well. Tell us which costumes you want us to wear for Halloween on our Royal Princess cruise in October.
Oh, right? I can't wait.
If we pick your suggestion, we're going to send you a $25 Starbucks gift card.
Cool stuff.
All right.
Cool stuff. Now,
so
let's get into it.
Now we're going to get into the final 11 tips.
All right. Number 91. Consider going to tea time if your ship offers it.
Oh yes, tea time, yes.
Yes, it's tea time.
It's tea time, yes.
Actually, I did the very first tea time on our last cruise on the Splendor, and I loved it. Bradford didn't care for the pastries so much, but I thoroughly enjoyed it.
If you like pastries that taste like water, they were delicious.
I enjoyed it, and there were a lot of ladies, and we had a lot of ladies at our table, and we just chit-chatted afterwards, so I personally enjoyed it very much.
It was quite the social event.
Yes, it was. So if you get a chance, check out Tea Time.
Number 92, which is something that's a little more my speed. Check out a wine tasting class or a wine tasting while you're on the ship. Most of the ships will have a wine tasting or a wine tasting class.
Yes.
We went to one on
Royal Caribbean
and had a fantastic time with a great sommelier who taught us a lot of stuff about pairing wines with food, and it just completely changed the way that we drink wine.
Yes, and it opened things up for us and how to enjoy wine more, because I've always been just based on taste, never on pairing with food, and pairing with food totally changes things.
Oh, completely changed
it. It really did. It was extremely informative, and we had a great time, and we had a little buzz afterwards.
Just a little.
Just a little one.
So if you like wine, consider checking out like a wine tasting or a wine tasting class on the ship. We had a lot of fun.
All right, number 93. Most cruise lines will allow you to bring a bottle of wine on the ship per person. However, MSC has a no food or no beverage policy.
Right. They're the one that we know for sure does not allow you to bring food or beverage on the ship for whatever their reasons are. So, you know, most ship lines though, like Carnival, Princess, Royal Caribbean, Disney, Holland America,
yes,
they all allow you to bring one bottle of wine or champagne,
yes,
standard size bottle.
Yes.
Right?
I think it's 750 milliliters.
750 milliliter bottle per legal age drinking adult.
And it has to be brought on in your bag that you carry on to go onto the ship.
Yeah.
It cannot be in your luggage.
Otherwise, they'll confiscate it.
You have to carry it on.
Yeah, and then Your cabin steward can always provide wine glasses.
Yes.
He'll provide a corkscrew for you as well if you need one. If you take your wine to dinner with you, they're going to charge you a corkage fee, and that ranges usually from $10 to as much as $30 just to open your bottle of wine. So my suggestion is, if you want to have your wine with dinner, open it in your room, put it in the glasses, and just take the glasses to dinner.
Yeah, take them in with you. You can
carry
carry
that.
glasses.
You can carry glasses in, but if you take the bottle in, they're going to charge you that corkage fee.
And it's a good idea, because if you have a special wine that you don't necessarily want to pay 3 times as much for, and you're not doing the drink package.
What are you trying to say? That wine's too expensive on ships?
Sometimes, yeah. That you don't want to pay 3 times as much for. You don't want to buy the what is it? The beverage thing. You know, that thing. You know, that thing that you buy where you get all the drinks you want. And I just like everything.
Drink package thing.
The drink package.
That's right. That's right. So number 94, staying along with the beverage motif, is most cruise lines will allow you to bring soft drinks or water of your own on the ship. And they have a limit.
It's a 12-pack.
Most of the time it's a 12-pack, but you'll have to check with your individual cruise lines to see exactly. Right. Always, on all these beverage and food policies, always check with the cruise line first.
Yes.
Just to make sure that they're still allowing food or beverage or whatever you're bringing on the ship. Again, NCL does not allow you to bring your own non-alcoholic beverages on the ship, or water.
MSC doesn't either.
And neither does MSC, so we know that for sure. But if any other cruise lines, just check their policies. They're online before you go. So again, same thing with the policies with alcohol. Anytime you bring non-alcoholic beverages, water, soda, whatever it is, it has to go in your carry-on. It cannot go in your check luggage.
Number 95, which rolls into the same as like 94. Most cruise lines will let you bring your snacks as long as they're sealed up. And you have to bring them with you onto the ship. But check your individual cruise line to see what their policies are. Again, you'll get that email and it says, hey, here's our policies. Take a moment or two and read that.
Yeah, so food, like I say, they'll let you bring,
within reason.
Yeah, we've brought snacks on, like candy and things like that. Crackers. They just need to be, sealed. You can't be bringing like a lasagna on the ship with you. So no homemade.
And garlic bread.
No
and
homemade.
My bottle of wine.
No homemade food. You can't bring like a casserole dish on the ship with you.
I can't believe you said that.
All right. Rolling on through to 96. Keeping on track with the beverages and some of the beverage policies on the ship. Any liquor that you buy in the shops, the duty-free shops on the ship, you can't drink it.
No.
You can't drink it. You can buy it, but you can't drink it.
They give it to you the day before you
They give it to you the last night.
Well, can you drink it then?
Sure, if you've got it, you can drink it. But if you want to down a big old gallon jug of Jack on the night before you get off the ship, more power to you.
However, you can order a bottle of Jack for your room.
You can.
Yes, but you can't go to the duty-free shop and purchase it and take it back to your room because they'll hold it for you. But you can order it through their guest services.
Yeah, you can pre-order it, or you can actually order it on the ship and have it.
It's the same as if you're pre-ordering water or snacks or things like that.
So just order some Jack instead of water.
Yeah. No, don't. Get your water too.
All right.
Number 97. If you purchase a drink package, ask for the premium alcohol such as Grey Goose, Jack Daniels, or etc. If you don't specifically ask for it, you will get the alcohol that's in the well, which will be the generic or lesser name brand.
Yeah. So you paid for the drink package, get your money's worth. Ask for the premium alcohol. Whatever you prefer to drink. Don't just go up there and ask for a bourbon and Coke, because they're just going to give you whatever the bourbon is that's in the well. So if you like Jack Daniels, ask for Jack. So number 98. And this is kind of a neat thing too.
Yes.
And ask your bartender to create a drink for you. Just ask him to create one.
How about we... That's a great idea. We'll create a midlife crazy drink. We're going to come up with a midlife crazy drink.
We are. On our next cruise. We're going to have them make a midlife... Actually, what we should do is, on the next few cruises we go on, is have the bartenders make a midlife crazy drink and then pick the one that we like the
winner.
best.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
We just came up with that.
All on our own.
I think that's great. We'll call it Midlife Crazy.
Yeah. So we're going to create a Midlife Crazy drink, and then once we get the recipe that we like, we'll share it with you.
Awesome.
So anyway, have the bartender create a drink for you, though. They love doing things like that and getting creative. So just tell them what kind of alcohol that you like. If you're a vodka drinker, rum, bourbon, gin, whatever it is. Champagne. And
bubbly.
And they'll create a drink for you, especially like the Alchemy Bar on Carnival.
Love the Alchemy Bar.
Is fantastic.
My favorite drink is the French Kiss. What's yours?
40 is the new 20.
Yep.
Is my favorite. And that pineapple chipotle drink too.
Oh,
I can't remember what the name
Alchemy.
was.
Love Alchemy.
So anyway, have your bartender create a drink for you.
Number 99. Pace yourself. Come on. Pace yourself with the alcohol. It's not a race to see who can finish the most and the quickest. Enjoy your cruise. Just know when to say when and drink that water while you're drinking.
Especially on embarkation day.
Yeah, that's usually
when people tend to get the most inebriated.
We. Yeah, we.
So, embarkation day, because you get on, you're excited, it's that atmosphere, and you're like, ooh, you're ready to go,
That's the first place we go. So.
Right? So it's about pacing yourself so that you don't wake up with that second day of your cruise hangover, which and I can tell you from experience.
No, not you.
It's not in a long time, but it's been many years now since I woke up with a bad hangover on the day after, but it sucks.
All right. Number
100.
Oh my gosh, 100. Here we are. We're getting close. Okay.
We are one away.
Your turn.
Consider using the gym.
Ah, yes.
Or the jogging / walking track on the ship. Because all we've talked about now for the last really two episodes is food and drink. And you will gain weight on your cruise.
Oh, you will.
On average, people gain about 10 pounds on a cruise.
Yes, and I have to do a better job myself because last cruise I said I'm going to walk. Brought my stuff to walk. Didn't walk. So I gotta make a point of it. And I'm up early on a cruise ship, so I'm just going to walk.
You walk to the casino.
Yep, I can do that really well. I actually will even walk to the casino.
I think maybe what we need to do on future cruises is stay in the cabin that's the furthest away from the casino, so that way when you're walking to the casino, you'll get the best benefit out of it.
Exactly. Or take the stairs. Taking the stairs.
If you just got to go up a floor or two,
take the stairs.
Yeah. But go check out the gym. Most cruise ships have really, really fantastic gyms that overlook the ocean, and so that's a good way to kind of keep yourself from gaining that 10 pounds on your cruise.
All right, our bonus tip number 101. What do you think it is? Our bonus tip.
I hope they're not going to be disappointed with this tip.
Have fun. You're on vacation. That's the best tip we can give anyone.
That's the best tip out of all of it. Have fun. Enjoy your vacation. Do what you want. Do as much as you want. Do as little as you want. Just
enjoy it. You worked hard for it. You're on a beautiful ship with all the fun things to do. Enjoy it.
The 5-star floating resort.
Exactly. That's where you are.
So
it's fantastic.
So that's it, folks.
That was our whole entire series, and we really hope that you enjoyed and learned a few things that help you out on your next cruise.
Yeah. So again, comment below on the Halloween costume that you'd like to see us wear. So again, winner's going to get a $25 Starbucks gift card. Subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications so you know when this wacky couple is back on YouTube again.
This midlife crazy couple. Check out our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter account. Also check out our merchandise at Teespring. All the links are below.
That's right. So check out that Midlife Crazy merch.
That's right. And please leave us comments. We love hearing from you. We love you guys. The community has just been so supportive and fantastic.
It has.
It really has. We are enjoying this more than I ever thought we would. So, I'm Kimberly.
I'm Brad.
And we're Midlife Crazy. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.